Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Wix to create a website on your cell phone. First, download the Wix Owner app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, open the app and either sign up for a new account or log in. Wix will then guide you through selecting a business type or a pre-designed template. You'll answer a few simple questions, helping Wix's artificial design intelligence, or ADI, to tailor your initial site layout. This makes starting your site incredibly straightforward, even on a small screen. Now, let's dive into designing your site right from your phone. The Wix Owner app provides robust tools to customize your website's appearance. You can easily change themes, adjust color palettes, and select fonts to match your brand. Rearrange sections and elements with simple drag-and-drop functionality. Upload photos and videos directly from your phone's gallery, making content addition quick and seamless. Always preview your site to ensure it looks fantastic across different mobile devices. Next, we'll focus on populating your site with engaging content and powerful features. The Wix Owner app allows you to add new pages, create compelling blog posts, or list products for your online store. You can integrate crucial features such as contact forms, social media feeds, or even booking systems. Managing your inventory, appointments, or event registrations is all possible from your phone. Updating any text or image on your site takes only a few taps, keeping your content fresh. Finally, it's time to publish and manage your brand new website. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review every page and feature to ensure everything is perfect. When you are completely satisfied, publish your website with a single tap, making it accessible to the world. The app also provides built-in analytics, allowing you to monitor site traffic and understand visitor behavior. You can also respond to customer messages and manage orders directly from your cell phone, keeping your business running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.